Yes, this is a short video on how to restore the TC Helicon Voice Pro. This is how you do your factory restore. Okay, you go into utility, hit utility. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, you hit utility, and then you go right here where it says right there where it says dump. You cursor up to dump, and you turn your first knob. You turn this first knob right here, and you turn that word dump to restore. And where it says press OK, come over, you press OK. Once you press OK, it says, it'll ask you to press OK again if you're going to dump it, but I'm not going to dump. I'm going to turn the first knob and turn it to restore. And it says restore system settings.
Hey, let's play purple parts.
And then you just come and you hit OK. It says press OK again to restore system settings, and you hit OK, and it's done. You go back to browser, come back over to browser, and everything is set back. If you go into your utilities, you'll see you got a cursor all the way back to systems, and you'll see everything is set back to factory. That's how you reset the factory settings on the TC Helicon.